هيا بنا إلى هذا التدريب. التدريب الأول للمفردات. صل بين الكلمتين المتضادتين. أنا سوف أقول الكلمة وأنت تقول عكسها أو مضادها. مثلا كلمة جميل.
قبيح.
أحسنت.
أب.
هنا.
هناك.
هو.
هي.
ابن.
بنت.
فقير.
غني.
هذا.
هذه.
هذه. أوكي.
Can you explain again the words الحسب والنسب?
I will tell you about this. الحسب والنسب, we use this expression to tell about someone who have a good family. What's the meaning of a good family? For example, the people in general, it's like levels. We can find some people have a like tree of his family. His family is a good in like behavior or honest, and so he have this. This is first. Second, this family has a good position, and the relative, okay, between the family and the other families, good, he choose another one. This is al-hasab wal nasab. I want to marry from this girl because her father is blah blah blah, her uncle is blah, like this way. Or I want to marry from this man because his family has a good position in the sociality or society, like this way.
Okay.
This is al-hasab wal nasab. Okay.
Then let's try to do this exercise. Okay.
Yeah, just I want you to speak, just to tell me, oh, it's important for me to start with this. Yeah.
بالنسبة لي.
For me, or according to me, or my opinion, like this. بالنسبة لي. Let's write this expression. بالنسبة لي الدين هو المهم، ثم المال.
بالنسبة لي الدين ثم الحسب ونسب ثم جمال والمال.
وفي الحقيقة في الحقيقة in the fact المال يأتي ويذهب come and go. الجمال هذا بالتعود. It's by used. Maybe you will find very handsome husband or very beautiful one. After time it will be okay. Not beautiful, not handsome. By used. بالتعود. الحسب والنسب. هذا مهم جدا، لأن الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم قال تخيروا، فيما معناه تخيروا لنطفكم فإن العرق دساس. يعني يجب أن يختار الإنسان شخص مناسب له في الأصل وفي العائلة مثل هذا. هذا مهم، نعم، ولكن الأهم من هذا الدين. إذا كان الإنسان ذا دين فكل شيء بعد ذلك عادي normal regular. فهذا الترتيب ترتيبك أنت الدين ثم الحسب والنسب ثم الجمال ثم المال، أو المال ثم الجمال. هذا أفضل ترتيب في رأيي أنا أيضا. أحسنت. Yeah. We have تاء مربوطة and we have هاء. What is the difference between هاء and تاء مربوطة? First, هاء, this one, It can be comes at the beginning, at the middle, at the end of the word. It can be connect and not connect. Okay? Okay. It is in writing. But ta marbuta, not ha. This one has two dots. It comes just only at the end of the word. It can be connect and it can be not connect. So ta marbuta comes only at the end of the word. Ta marbuta that has two dots, it's a sign that the word is a female or feminine, not masculine. Okay? Okay. Ha, the first letter that I took, it's this one, ha. It will be pronounced at the beginning, at the middle, at the end, like ha. Just ha, he, who, whatever. Han, hin, hun, whatever. So it will be pronounced in just one way. It becomes ha. But ta marbuta that has two dots, it can be pronounced. Of course, we say that it comes at the end of the word. So it can be pronounced like t, t, whatever takes dhamma or fatha or kasra, like ta, ti, tu, or have tanween also, tan, tin, ton. And also, if I stop on it at the end, if I stop, it can be pronounced like ha. For example, for this word, for example, I can say khawlah. If I stop, make sukun, it will be khawlah. But if I continue or put dhamma and I want to pronounce dhamma, I will say khawlatu. The both is correct in reading. But the difference, if I will stop, it's okay, you can pronounce it like ha, khawla, da'wa, latifa, nadhara, blah blah, ha. But if I want to put dhamma or fatha or kasra or tanween bil dhamma or bil fatha or bil kasr, it will be pronounced like t, t, t. So, khawlatu, latifatun, عدة, قرية, نظارة, سيارة, ثلاجة. It's okay. But ha, it will be pronounced whatever, like ha. Of course, it can be ha, he, who, but also it will be, the pronunciation is ha. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
In addition, I mean, what's the meaning of addition? If I want to say your glasses, glasses is nadhara, correct? So nadhara. If I put ta marbuta, it will be nadharatu. If I want to say your glasses, I will say nadharatuka. And in writing, we will change ta marbuta instead of circle and has two dots to be the normal ta and has two dots. It will be like this way. For example, the word of nadhara, this is nadhara. And to say your glasses, it will be
نظارتك.
to ka. So I changed this ta to be the normal ta. This is in addition when we add any pronouns or suffix pronouns to the word. Okay?
Okay.